Hello, this is Professor Francis, and here we have a question that was requested through our website, okay, for the HESI exam. So the question states, Kendra spends $270 a month for her basic needs, such as food and gas for her car to get to work. If she's always paid twice a month and receives $540 a paycheck, how much of a monthly income should she set aside for her basic needs? So we look at the answer list and we see that what they're looking for is a ratio proportion in the format of a fraction, right? These are the answer lists. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do that given the information in the question. First and foremost, let's make a note that this is a word problem, so we're going to have to convert the word problem to an equation and then solve that equation. So let's go to whiteboard and do that. Okay, so here we are on the whiteboard, and let's go ahead and start this problem. So we know we want a ratio in the form of a fraction, right? So fractions are made out of a part and a whole. Okay. All right. So we're going to read through the paragraph and look at the time frame and of the part and the whole, and make sure we have the time frame matching up. And then we're going to be able to come up with a fraction. And from that fraction, we'll be able to reduce it to get an equivalent fraction, which will be represented in the answer list that we saw a few seconds ago. So here, let's read through the problem. So Kendra spends 270 per month for her needs. So that's going to be out of her total income per month. So that's going to be the part. So the part is going to be equal to 270, and this is per month now. So if we had the part per month, we have to have the whole per month as well, right? So let's go ahead and continue reading and see how much the whole is per month. Okay. It says if she's always paid twice a month and receives $540 a paycheck. So she's getting $540 twice a month. So we have to multiply 540 by 2 to represent the whole. So 2 times 540, right? And that's going to give us 270 over 540 times 2 is going to be 1080. Right. And this is our fraction. Now, this is not the number that we saw in the answer key because it needs to be reduced to an equivalent fraction, right? So that means we have to find a number that divides evenly into both the top and the bottom. It has to be the same number. It cannot be a different number. If you want an equivalent fraction, you have to divide both the top and the bottom, the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same number, right? So let's divide the top and the bottom by 270. So that goes into both of these numbers evenly. Okay. So 270 divided by 270 is simply 1. And 1080 divided by 270 is 4. So we have an equivalent fraction of 1/4. And so that answers our question. How much of her monthly income should she set aside for her basic needs? 1/4 of her monthly income. All right, so this will be our answer right here. All right, so I hope that helps. Okay, everyone, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next question. Thank you very much. Have a great day.